How to disable community on Discord. So if you want to disable your community on Discord, then all you have to do is open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar you can search for Discord and click on the first search, and after that you will have open Discord option on the upper right corner of your screen. Click on that and make sure to log in, and after logging in on your Discord, click on your server, and here you will have a bunch of options. So click on your server and then you will have server settings. Click on server settings, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here on the left side you will have a bunch of options, right? So if you scroll down, you will find a community option, and under community you will have overview. Click on overview, and here on the right side, if you scroll down, you will find disable community. So if you click on disable community, that will remove specific features for community servers like server discovery and server insights. So if you want to disable your community, you can simply click on disable community and it will be disabled. So that's it guys, that's how you disable your community on Discord. And if you have any question, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.